Up next, we have a tiny slice of Wagner's 15-hour operatic saga, The Ring, with Siegfried's funeral music from Twilight of the Gods or Götterdämmerung. Siegfried, the hero of The Ring, has just been stabbed in the back by his rival. After the music begins in the darkness of tragedy, Siegfried's bravery and heroism are unfurled through majestic themes in the brass. Christian Thielmann conducts the Staatskapelle Dresden in Siegfried's funeral music. Music that's at once mysterious and noble, Siegfried's funeral music by Richard Wagner. Christian Thielmann led the Staatskapelle Dresden. Up next, American organist Cameron Carpenter plays the aria from J.S. Bach's Goldberg Variations. That was organist Cameron Carpenter, who hails from right next door in Pennsylvania, with the aria from J.S. Bach's Goldberg Variations on WGUC 90.9. When Aram Khachaturian was asked to write music for a play called Masquerade, he probably assumed the task was simple enough. But when it came time to compose the theme for the central waltz, the composer was paralyzed. Perhaps because the play's young heroine at one point exclaims, "Oh, how I loved that beautiful new waltz! My mind and heart were magically captured." Yeah, no pressure. Khachaturian eventually got past his writer's block and later assembled some of the pieces from the play into an orchestral suite. Here is that beautiful new waltz, performed by the Royal Philharmonic, Byung-Hung Chung, featuring James Galway on the flute. That was the waltz from the Masquerade Suite, composed by Aram Khachaturian, performed by the Royal Philharmonic, led by Byung-Hung Chung, featuring James Galway on the flute.